अस्सलामुअलैकुम। वेलकम बैक टू सी नेक्सस। और आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं जीके का 2018 का पीएमएस का पास पेपर। ये मिस प्रिंट हुआ पड़ा है, 2019 का नहीं 2018 का है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज़ द करंट सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ सार्क। तो अभी जो करंट है वो गुलाम सरवर हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान। Zahid Hussain was the first Governor General of the state of Pakistan. Kurt Waldheim was an Austrian diplomat and statesman who served 2 terms as the Secretary General of the United Nations. Fourth, वो फोर्थ जो थे ना डिप्लोमेट थे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं, एंड दैट इज द जनरल असेंबली and Security Council select the judges of the International Court of Justice for the period of 9 years. The ICJ is comprised of how many judges? 15 judges. Kithar Range is a mountain range in Pakistan extending about 190 miles. In which province of Pakistan does the range's largest portion reside? Balochistan. Option B is right option. Next question is, when Balochistan was given the status of Pakistan? 1970. In 1970, Balochistan was given the status of Pakistan. What is the length of Karakoram Highway? The length of Karakoram Highway is 810 miles. Who among the following was the penultimate Viceroy of British India? Lord Wavell is right option. Jinnah, Pakistan and Islamic Identity. The Search for Saladin is a book based on conversations and interviews of those who were close to Jinnah. Who wrote this book? Akbar S. Ahmed is right option. Option B is right option. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan to immortalize his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Its construction spanned 22 years. When was the project commenced? 1632 is right option. Next question is, how many layers does Earth's atmosphere have? It has 4 layers. Less than 1% of Earth's water is fresh water, but the oceans contain 97% of the Earth's water. Who among the following is the current president of Azad and Jammu Kashmir? Masood Khan. Next question is, Gadas Raj Temple are reversed Hindu temples in Pakistan. In which district the temple reside? Chakwal. Option B is right option. Nawab Malik Amir Muhammad Khan, also known as Nawab of Kalabagh, was governor of West Pakistan in 1960. He was from Mianwali. Option B is right option. Atak Fort was built during the reign of which Mughal? Atak Fort was made during the reign of अकबर। इसको याद करने का बेस्ट तरीका ये है कि अकबर भी ए से शुरू होता है और अटक भी ए से शुरू होता है, तो अटक पंप नहीं, अटक फोर्ट एंड अकबर इज राइट ऑप्शन. Bit is also called binary digit. According to World Bank, what was the growth rate of Pakistan in 2018? 5.8% is right option. Which of the following vitamin contain traces of selenium? Vitamin E. PROM chips are programmed by plugging them into PROM programmer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं. IRSA Indus River System Authority was established for regulating and monitoring the distribution of water sources of Indus River in 1992. Sindh Sagar Doab is one of the five major doabs of the Punjab province. It is the tract of land between following rivers Indus and Jhelum. Next question is, who is the current chief of air staff? Zahir Ahmad Babar is the right option. Next question. International Mother Language is celebrated on 21st February. Which among the following option is the capital of Kazakhstan? तो इसका right option है Astana. Next question is SCO. Shanghai Cooperation Organization was established in 2001. According to a report published by IMF, Pakistan has been ranked third in the world among countries facing acute water shortage. Amnesty International is an international non-governmental organization for human rights. It was founded in 1961. A mechanical stopwatch can measure a time interval up to minimum 0.1 seconds. When in ICC Champions Trophy did Pakistan defeat India? 18 June. Which among the following defines the event of supernova? Exploding star. Next question is, King of Pop 1 Michael Jackson was an American singer, songwriter and dancer. He died in June 2009. Who among the following is known as the poet of beauty? John Keats is known as the poet of beauty. In mathematics, a solution to an equation that emerges from the process of solving the problem but is not a valid solution to the problem is called extraneous solution कहते हैं उसे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं एंड दैट इज द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट in power set 1 2 3 is 8. Next question, how many subset does an empty subset have? तो उसके अंदर one subset होता है और वो empty set होता है. When a triangle has two congruent sides, it is called triangle isosceles triangle, जिसकी दो sides same हो. The dash is equal to the sum of all the values in the data divided by the number of values in the data. The mean is right option. Next question is, a dash is a representation of a frequency distribution by means of rectangles whose width represent class intervals and whose areas are proportional to the corresponding frequencies. तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी, हिस्टोग्राम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज suitable to measure the internal diameter of a test tube? वर्नियर कैलिपर इज द राइट ऑप्शन. ये इंटरनल डायमीटर भी मेजर कर सकता है. इसके अपर जाज होते हैं और लोअर जाज होते हैं, तो अपर जाज के थ्रू ये मेजर कर सकता है. Crude oil is heated in the furnace up to 400 degrees centigrade. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in the synthesis and storage of lipids. और rough endoplasmic reticulum आपने बताना है किसके लिए यूज होता है. World Food Program, an organization of the United Nations, was created at the behest of Dwight Eisenhower. Option B is right option. Asabia, a concept of social solidarity with an emphasis on unity, was given by इब्न खल्दून. इब्न खल्दून ने जो है असाबिया का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है. असाबिया का मतलब होता है सोशल सॉलिडरिटी, यकजहती, जिसे आप भाईचारा भी कहते हैं. Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi was a polymath physician, alchemist and philosopher from Iran. तो ये कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं? ईरान से. Al-Qanun fi at-Tibb is an encyclopedia of medicine in 5 books written by Avicenna. Who among the following discovered the sunspots? Sunspots तो ये है ऑप्शन सी गैलीलियो. Which city was hit by the earthquake of 1935? तो कोयटा जो है इसका राइट ऑप्शन है. In which country does the Batura glacier lies? तो ऑप्शन है पाकिस्तान में है बतूरा glaciers. Which province among the following has उच्च gas field? तो उच्च gas field is in Balochistan. How many countries are there in Asia? There are 48 countries in Asia. A horse runs around a ground twice and covers a distance of 8 km. One side of a square ground is 1 km. Who among the following invented bifocal spectacles and lightning rod? तो ये बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन ने है और ये अक्सर PPSC MCQs रिपीट भी करता रहता है, तो आपको याद रखना है ये MCQs. Next question is, which gas field among the following is the second largest gas field in Pakistan, which is being operated by OCGDL? कादिरपुर गैस फील्ड इसका राइट ऑप्शन है. मार्स नेबर्स ऑफ अर्थ हैज नेचुरल सैटेलाइट्स टू. Max Planck won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1918 for the discovery of energy quantum. Which among the following instrument is used to measure the amount of liquid precipitation over a set period of time? Rain gauge. Per second is a unit used to measure distance. Solar eclipse occur when moon come between sun and earth. A camera uses convex lens to form an image which is real, inverted and diminished. When NaHCO3 is heated, it produces carbon dioxide. Next question is, stoma found in the epidermis of leaves closes when guard cells lose water. Option B is right option. Iron and steel structures are damaged by sulfur dioxide. Inflammation of liver is caused by hepatitis. Paris Climate Agreement was adopted in 2015. The United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, also known as Rio Summit, was held in 1992. What is the speed of sound in air? 1235 km per hour. Enzymes are basically made up of proteins. What is the lifespan of red blood cell? 120 days. What is the percentage of water present in our brain? 73%. In order to make nitrogen available to primary producer like plants in ecosystem, it is converted into ammonia. Parthenocarpy is the production of fruit which make the fruit seedless. Next question is, the World Day to combat desertification and drought is a United Nations is observed on 17th June. A normal CD-ROM usually can store data up to 680 MB. Dengue is caused by which type of mosquito? Aedes. Which tube among the following joins kidney and bladder? Ureter. Edward Jenner successfully developed first world's vaccine in 1796. Pancreatic juice, which aids digestion, is secreted into duodenum. Who among the following transmitted first radio signal through air? तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है मार्कोनी. Next question is, high-tech exports of Pakistan stands at none of the. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर जाने से पहले मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और हमारी वीडियोस को ज़रूर लाइक करें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान सिक्योर्ड Gawadar from Oman. तो Feroz Khanun is right option. Villi are small finger like projections. ठीक है, ये किस में होती हैं? ये होती हैं स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज yeast is essential in making of bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Kartarpur corridor links which Gurdwara to India? Darbar Sahib. Next question is Pakistan being Alma al signatory in 1978 launched the National Program for Family Planning and Primary Health is 1994. After fertilization, a fruit develops from which part of the plant? तो ovary. इसका right option है option C. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. The largest famine hit Ethiopia in 1983. Hit Ethiopia in 1983. The median of a triangle cut each other in the ratio 2:1. Who among the following was the longest serving chairman of Senate? Wasim Sajad is right option. Which among the following is responsible for the clotting of blood? Platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Mastication is called the process of chewing. At which temperature does bacteria die? तो 102 फ़ारेनहाइट पे बैक्टीरिया मर जाते हैं. What is the color of hemoglobin? तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी ब्राइट रेड. Pepsinogen is converted into pepsin in stomach. Literacy rate in Christian world is 100% compared to that of Muslim world is 40%. Pakistan's population is what percent of world's population? 2.8%. Circumference of Earth is called circumference of Earth is around 475 kilometers. Indian Railway started operation in 1853. What is the title of हज़रत इब्राहिम खलीलुल्लाह इज़ राइट ऑप्शन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आती हैं तो हमारी वीडियोस को ज़रूर लाइक करें और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.